Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar, and as you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As we all know, there was an FOMC meeting yesterday, and after the FOMC meeting, US dollar became very strong, and currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD witnessed some heavy selling pressure. Okay. And you can see that after the FOMC meeting, okay, there was a huge red candle, means there was some heavy sell-off in GBP USD as well as in Euro USD, and in currency pairs like USD JPY, USD CAD. Okay, those currency pairs saw some heavy bullish pressure. Okay, so all the previous levels are gone now, and chart has changed a lot. Okay, chart has changed a lot because in most of the currency pairs, either there is a heavy buying pressure or there was some heavy selling pressure. So things have changed, and let's discuss what should be your strategy. Okay, as I've already mentioned in my previous videos, okay, to consider a trend reversal, either which we should have an inverted V, or in case of a downtrend market we should have an V pattern. And overall the trend of the market or GBP USD was towards the upside, or GBP USD was in uptrend and it was trading in a narrow range. But right now we can see that, okay, after the yesterday's sell off, okay, we have a red candle, and right now we can see that yes, overall the trend of the market is changing now. Okay, right now we can see that market has somewhat formed a inverted V pattern, because see, so therefore there is a possibility that trend of GBP USD may change now. For some time GBP USD may be under the influence of the sellers. Okay, and previously, okay, we all know that previously GBP USD had some good levels. Okay, as it was in a it was trading in a narrow range or in a tight range, we had two levels. Okay, this was the resistance, 1.4245 was the resistance, and this was the support. Okay, 1.4100. So 1.4100 was a strong support for the market. Okay, but right now, okay, after the sell off and after this big red candle, this support is no longer valid. Okay, so 1.4100 is no longer a valid support for GBP USD. That is clear to us. Okay, and if we look at the weekly chart, then we can see that weekly chart is also not telling us a complete story. Overall we can see that yes, overall the market is still in uptrend, but right now we can see some good selling pressure. The weekly chart has also formed some red candles. Okay, and stochastic RSI is also indicating that there is a good possibility that market will go down now. Therefore, there is a possibility that market will see some good selling pressure in the coming days. Okay, but still this is market, and as we all know, retail traders like you, like me, we do not decide the direction of the market. Okay, it is the big players, they decide the direction of the market, so we must be very careful, and as I always say, okay, we must trade from level to level only, so that we get the best risk to reward ratio, okay, and we get the best trading opportunity. Okay, so considering all these factors, okay, what should be a strategy overall? Right now we have seen that overall there is a good possibility that the trend of the market may change, and considering this big fat red candle, okay, so we must wait for the market to go up so that we get the best price to short the market. Okay, so wait for the stochastic RSI. Here you can see that the stochastic RSI in the oversold zone. Okay, so first trading opportunity is wait for the stochastic RSI to reach the overbought zone. So when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone and going down, okay, and just observe the price, try to read the market emotion, try to read the chart. If you see that selling pressure is still there in the market, okay, if you see that the market is still being dominated by the sellers, okay, and market is about to go down, market is struggling, price is struggling, okay, though price is going up, but still if you see some struggle, then you can short the market, okay. On the other hand, you can also see that 50 moving average is also there, okay, it is also coming up, okay. So there is a possibility that it may, if market goes up from here, okay, and hit the 50 moving average, okay, then also you may short the market if market reverses from the 50 moving average. And considering the present market position, uh, there is the possibility is very less that market will reach this position, okay, because 1.4100, which was a strong support for the market, has become the resistance now, okay, but still the gap is too much, so the possibility is very less that market will go up from here, it will reverse from this price level, okay. So first and foremost, okay, so as of now there is no proper resistance in the market. The only resistance 1.4100 is quite far away, therefore keep your eyes on the stochastic RSI. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be going down, if you see some price struggle, then you can short the market. That is your first trading opportunity. And your second trading opportunity is, you can see that I have also drawn two lines here in the form of dots. Okay. So right now, okay, market is, after this big fat red candle, market is trading in this range. Okay, so after some time or after a couple of hours, okay, if you see that market has crossed this range, okay, if you see market has crossed this range, or market is giving a breakout with good volume, then also you can short the market. But be very careful, okay, be very careful. Do not short the market if market is in, or if stochastic RSI tells you that market is in oversold zone, okay. If you see that market is giving you a breakout, or market has crossed this particular level, okay, and market is in oversold zone, then do not short the market, or okay, or just wait for the confirmation of volume, okay. Right now we can see that for last three candles, or for last 12 hours, market is trading in a range, and after this sell off there is a possibility the market will be in this range only, okay. If you see market trading in this range, and if market, as I mentioned, market crosses this level, okay, and stochastic RSI also giving you the thumbs up, okay, like from here or from here, then also you can short the market. But if stochastic RSI is in oversold zone, then do not short the market, it will be risky for you, okay. So things have changed for GBP USD, okay. Not much thing to discuss here, okay, because we do not have any proper support now or any proper resistance here, okay. Let's see where the market goes, okay. So I'll be discussing with you tomorrow again, okay. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.